joined by the Director of Consulting in Europe, Middle East and Africa, Brad Kellogg. How are you doing, Brad?
Very good, thank you.
How's the show going for you?
Excellent. Yeah, it's been above our expectation this year. It's been great.
That's really good to hear. So tell us what you've brought new to Arab Health this year.
Some of the things that we're highlighting this year is really our focus on innovation. I think the pandemic has been a huge accelerator. It's been obviously very difficult, but it's been a huge accelerator for innovation. And so we've brought some of that thinking to the show and really want to highlight some of our investments in innovation that we've been doing.
And what key innovations have you brought with you?
Yeah, some of it is our new technology hub, which is a sandbox for really testing out some of these innovations. So we have a clinic exam room of the future there. We have a hospital room of the future, and a house of the future. So really, how are our patients? What are they going to be encountering in their homes in the near future, and how do we engage with them in new and unique ways? So one of the things that we're excited about is some of the voice-assisted just healthcare that we're seeing. So we've got ambient listening in the clinic exam room, which takes away the screen from between the physician and the patient and really allows a natural conversation to happen, and the documentation happens behind the scenes. So the coding, the diagnosis, all of those things is happening as the natural conversation is happening between the physician and the patient. So.
And are you demonstrating those new innovations on your stand here?
We're highlighting them in some of our slides and some of the presentations that we've made around the show, but it's hard to package that up and bring it to the show, but really it's having those conversations with others, potential partners and collaborators.
And how important is Arab Health to you as a company?
Arab Health is very important. We've been exhibiting here for more than 12 years, and so it's one of the highlights of our global year, where we're really able to connect with people from the region, connect with people, thought leaders from around the world, and so we see it as a vital part of our presence here in the region.
And what kind of work are you doing in the region at the moment?
Yeah, we're partnering both with public providers and private providers. We're working with ministries of health on some of the strategic opportunities, some of the moving towards value-based care. So we're working closely with some of those facilities, but also with the healthcare providers in education and training. So really bringing and sharing that know-how. And as always, we're a hospital, so we treat patients, and we continue to treat patients from around the region.
And how have you seen healthcare improve in this region in the last few years, say?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think there has been a lot of focus on caring for the whole person. I think we've seen the understanding that there's a need for the sharing of information, sharing of data, the need to be able to not just care for the person when they're sick, but also care for them outside of the walls of the facility. So I think that's a huge step forward in moving towards wellness instead of sickness, and I've seen a lot of momentum be gained in that region. So.